All right, everybody, I'm Brian Nelson. This is a custom DIY pull-up bar, flip bar, ballet bar. So we customized all the measurements to what we wanted, and we cut some 4x4s to a specific height, and then we staggered it down so that the flip bar was a separate height, and then we're gonna have the ballet bar be its own height too. So we just got some 4x4s. What we did is got some Quikrete from Home Depot, and just poured a little bit of that in it, mixed it in with water, and then kept pouring and mixing. So now this guy is just not going anywhere at all. And then we got these galvanized piping from Home Depot as well. They just threaded everything there. And we got some collars to clamp it on. We got some really good wood screws so that we know it's going to be well supported and be able to carry the weight. And then we just spray painted it for some good outdoor charm. So that's it. It's a really easy project. You could do everything you need with just a circular saw, a trip to Home Depot, some clear finish and sealer, and some spray paint and some drill and some screws, and you're good to go. So go do it.